Hello viewers, this is Not Too Fast here. In today's video I will show you this car dash camera from the company ALFAWISE. This one is MB05 and this is a brand new dash cam that just came out. It features full HD recording with a 170-degree wide-angle lens, and this dash cam uses a Sony Exmor sensor which has excellent detail for both daytime and nighttime recording. Let me unbox this and I'll show you what this dash cam looks like. User manual. Here's a dash cam. Power cable. USB cable. 2 clear stickers you can put on your windshield and then put the dash cam on top of it. An extra double-sided tape. Here's a look at everything you get with this dash cam. Let's have a closer look at this dash cam. At the top we have this large 2.4-inch color LCD display. Below that is a record button. This is the left navigation button, right navigation button, menu button. Below that is a camera. On the front of the camera is a 6-glass lens with an IR cut filter. You can swivel this to adjust the angle. On this side there is a micro SD memory card slot. Now this dash cam supports up to 32 GB memory size. Right here is the LED status light. This is the power button. On the other side, this is the mini USB connector to power the dash cam. This is a reset switch. This is the AV port. On this side we have the 3M double-sided tape for you to mount this onto the windshield. Now because this can be difficult to remove, that's why they have included the clear sticker, so you can install that onto the windshield first and then install this double-sided tape onto that clear film. And if you ever need to remove the dash cam, just pull the clear film off the windshield. Here I'll install the micro SD memory card. To connect the power cable, plug the mini USB connector into the side of the dash cam. This power cable is 11 feet long, so that'll give you enough length to run it from the top of the windshield down to your center console. Plug the other end of the cable into your 12-volt accessory port. Here I'm going to power on the dash cam. Once the unit power on, the dash cam will begin recording automatically. That's indicated by the flashing red dot right here. On this display also tells you the resolution it's recording in. Right now it's recording in Full HD, 1080p, 30 frames per second. The microphone's on, so it's recording audio. The micro SD memory card is installed. The charger is plugged in, so it's charging the dash cam. Here's the date and time, which we still need to set. Wide dynamic range is enabled. Exposure compensation is 0. The dash cam is set to 3-minute loop recording, so it records continuously with 3-minute video clips. Let's go into the setup menu. First thing we'll need to do is stop the recording. Press the record button to stop the recording. Press the menu button. Now we're in the setup menu. Default resolution is Full HD 1080p. You can also set it for 720p at 60 frames per second or 720p at 30 frames per second and WVGA. Next item, loop recording. Default's 3 minutes. Wide dynamic range, default's on. G sensor, default's medium. You can set it for off, low, and high. Exposure compensation, default is 0. You can increase or decrease the exposure. Motion detection is off. Record audio is on. Date stamp is on, so the recorded video will have a timestamp on it. Now we're back to resolution. To get into the other setup menu right here, press the menu button. Press the menu button once again. Now we're in the setup menu. First item is Wi-Fi. By default is on. You can install a mobile app called LuckyCam. That will allow you to connect to this dash cam and download videos and photos. Date and time. Auto power off. Default is set to 3 minutes. So if the dash cam is not recording, it will power off this dash cam automatically after 3 minutes. Key tone, on or off. Parking guard, which is a parking mode, by default is off. You can enable this if you want. Language selection. AV out. Screensaver, by default is 3 minutes. I'm going to turn this off. While the dash cam is recording, it will automatically turn off the LCD screen. Now for me, I like to have the LCD stay on whilst recording. Now, if you do want to turn off the LCD while it's recording, you can press the power button once, and that'll turn off the LCD while it's recording. Frequency, card plate, format to format the microSD memory card, default setting to restore back to factory default, version, there's a version of software. To exit the menu, press the menu button. Press the record button to begin recording. Now while it's recording, if you see something happening on the road, you can lock this video clip by pressing the menu button right here. Now you see a lock icon right here. So this video clip will be locked and it will not be overwritten. As I mentioned earlier, if you want to turn off the LCD, press the power button once. The LCD will turn off. Press the power switch one more time, and the LCD will come back on. So let's take this to the car, get it installed, and we'll check out the recorded video clips for both daytime and nighttime. I'll install the dash cam in this location right here. Plug the power cable into the dash cam. Run the power cable up to the headliner, over to the A-pillar, and down to your center console. Plug in the power adapter. Turn on the ignition. Let me show you how the parking mode works. I've gone into the menu earlier and enabled a feature called Park Guard, and that's why you see the car icon right now on the screen. I'm going to turn off the ignition to the vehicle, and the dash cam will shut down. So right now the dash cam is in standby mode, and if it detects any impact to the vehicle, it will record a short video clip. I'm going to simulate that by hitting the A-pillar. Here you see the dash cam come on. Record a 30-second video clip and then shut off automatically. And that's how the parking mode works on this dash cam.
Because once you choose fun with Carnival, you'll never want to stop. Cruises from $249 sailing from 5 Florida ports. Book your vacation now and save 20%. Call your travel agent or visit carnival.com. Carnival. Choose fun. Cruises are US dollars per person. Access fees and port expenses additional. Restrictions apply. Full details.com. Ships registry Bahamas, Panama, and Malta. Ashley Home Stores. Veterans Day Sale.
And make it great. Make it cozy. Pick up our classic breakfast blend at your local grocery store today.
Great news at your Atlanta area.
As you saw in the recorded video, this dash cam performed very well. Both daytime and nighttime recording was very clear. It had good exposure and contrast. And with a high definition resolution, you can read license plate numbers and street signs. Operating this unit is also very simple. Once you do the initial setup, it will power on every time you turn on the ignition. The video recording will capture everything happening on the road. And when you turn off the ignition, the unit will power off automatically. Now if you enable the parking mode feature, the dash cam will go into standby mode and ready to automatically power on if it detects an impact, record a 30-second video clip, and then power off automatically. I think this is a good dash cam if you're looking for something with good daytime and nighttime recording. Now at the time of doing this review, you can get this at gearbest.com for $53, which is a very good price. If you want to check it out, I will include the link in the description below. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and remember to click on thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.